Imagine turning all those repetitive HR tasks into opportunities for creativity and strategic impact. In our AI for Human Resources Specialist courses, you'll discover how artificial intelligence becomes your practical partner rather than a distant tech fantasy. Instead of spending endless hours on routine chores, you'll learn to let AI handle the paperwork, screen resumes, schedule interviews, and address common queries, giving you more time to truly connect with people and foster growth within your organization. You'll quickly see that AI isn't here to replace your role, it's here to empower you. By mastering AI tools, you can focus on the complexities of people management, employee engagement, and strategic initiatives that drive results. Our comprehensive training is designed to keep you agile in an ever-changing world, offering monthly updated video tutorials and practical insights that expand your skill set. With each module, you'll gain hands-on experience through real-world examples, detailed guides, and even audiobooks perfect for busy days. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Whether you're fine-tuning current practices or completely rethinking your approach, you'll find everything you need to integrate AI into your HR toolkit. To learn more and begin your transformation, you can find all AI for Human Resources Specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.